Welcome back to Luke Automotive Services. Today I'm wrapping up this 70 Corvette. It is a beautiful specimen. It's a wonderful survivor-ish. I guess you could call it a survivor. It's survived this long. We have done some work to this car to make it usable for the next owner. This car is being offered up for sale. I decided to go ahead and do a video, kind of walk around it, show you what it is. 76,000 original miles. Owned by the current owner since 75 or 74. It's a really nice numbers matching block, numbers matching transmission, correct date code for the rear differential, correct heads. It does have the dome pistons, so it is the high output big valve small block Chevy 350 cubic inch with a manual 4-speed. We adjusted the valves because they were pretty loose. I don't know if they were adjusted loose for fuel or maybe they were just done wrong, but they were pretty loose. It was pretty rattly. So I've got the valves all adjusted correctly. We went through the brakes, rebuilt the rear calipers, resurfaced all 4 rotors. It has new shocks on it. It has an upgraded front sway bar. It has an added rear sway bar. We put 4 brand new tires on it because the tires that were on it were really badly flat spotted, and they needed replaced. I mean, it rode like it had square tires. So the new set of Cooper Cobras on those Western rims looks really good, and they ride nice. That's what's really important. This thing has a bunch of chrome bits to make it look nice under the hood. Looks to have the original top on it. It has 2 slices in it. I'll show you those common wear points from when you fold this thing up. This is an excellent driver for somebody, or if somebody wants to restore it, that's obviously up to them when they take ownership of the car. I honestly would just drive this car the way it is. It's a great little specimen. I do have the hubcaps for this. I just didn't put them back on. They're not perfect. A couple of them were siliconed on because the plastic tabs start to break on them. I just left them off for now because that'll be the new owner's choice on what they want to do with those. At any rate, beautiful car. I don't have it all latched up the way it needs to be, but I just had it running for like an hour, just sitting here idling, nice and cool. Idle's good, runs good. The fuel gauge is not reading. And that's all I can think of at the moment. Well, I haven't tried the wipers or the headlights, so I don't know if those work good or not. So let's try those out. I recall those are engine vacuum operated. You can see we've got a small slice here. It's where it gets pinched on the top when it's opened and closed. The car's actually a little dirty. It got caught in the rain the other day. Same on this side. This one's not quite all the way through, but it's pretty bad. This is a Leucolite. Top. I don't know if that's original or not. The interior is pretty nice for a 1970. Needs a little cleanup on the seats. That's what it's supposed to be driven like. Windows work. Clutch safety switch works. flames were not working yet. We'll have to figure that out. Problem with vacuum line. Turns work. Good looking car, man. Dash is in great shape, interior panels. Engine oil pressure hot. Fuel gauge isn't working. Nice cool, it runs cool. Here's my hood release. Today, might as well take it for a drive. Top down, like should be. Get it out of here. It's a great car. Somebody's gonna really enjoy that thing. It drives so smooth. Transmission's quiet in all gears. Just glides down the road. Thing's awesome. Well guys, that's a simple walk around of the 1970 Corvette. This car is for sale. If you are interested in purchasing this car, give us a call here at the shop. We'll certainly give your offer to the owner, and if she chooses to take it, it will be yours. If it doesn't, if we don't get any hits on it, we'll list it up on the traditional places, and we may actually put it up on Bring a Trailer. It's a nice car. I didn't want to overly clean it and overly process this thing. I want to represent it as what it is. It is, you know, it's a car that still needs some work. It's a great driver. I'll probably fiddle around and see what's going on with the vacuum actuators for the headlights and the windshield wiper operation. And once that's fixed, you know, it's one more thing knocked off the list. It's in really good shape. It's ready to be driven and enjoyed by the next owner. It's a darn sexy car. At any rate, thank you everyone for your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. We are very honored that you guys are taking your time and spending it with us on the videos that we produce here at the shop. We don't really produce them, we just kind of walk you through the life that happens in a repair shop. And that's okay, because, you know, it doesn't need to be overly processed. At any rate, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 30,000 subscribers here recently. That's really an honor. I really appreciate you guys watching our shows. So, at any rate, I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas. Please have a safe and Happy New Year. And this will probably be the last video of 2022. We have a lot in store for next year. We have a lot already on our plates. We had some unexpected things come up this week, or I would have gotten a couple more videos done. I'll probably fill you in on that stuff at a later date. But for now, 1970 Corvette Convertible, 4-speed, 350, 11-to-1 compression, small block. It's a rowdy little beast. It's for sale. It could be yours. Put it into your stable. Give us a call. Have a safe day. We'll see you soon.